Yes, guys, so after 2, 1, 2, go for it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Welcome back to the
Sweet fam.
Yes, guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do our spicy noodle challenge. This is part 1 because the children are going to be doing this one, and yes, we're going to have a part 2 coming up with mom and dad. So with this challenge, you know that the noodle is very spicy. We're going to see who can eat all of their noodles, as well as we're going to try to do it under 2 minutes. So we're going to see who can eat off their noodle, as well as who will be the first to finish. Yes, guys, so after 2, 1, 2, go for it. Yes, guys, we're going to see who can finish their noodle first. Yes, guys, spicy noodle challenge. Yes, go for it. Tariq is not a spicy food person, but he's doing well. Yes, Thais, go into it. Yes, Tevan, just make sure you chew it. Yes, Tevan, go in it. Yes, Tariq, let me see. Yeah.
It's spicy.
Yes, it's a spicy noodle challenge. Yes. Guys, at any point, if you want to stop, you can stop, or if you want, if it get extremely hot, you can ask for a little water, but try to see if you can finish it off without asking. Let me see who can be the winner. Yes, Thais, I like how you're going into it. Yes, Tariq, you're doing very well. Yes, Tevan, everyone is doing fine. Yes, I'm loving it.
I'm almost done.
Wow, that's good. Let's see who is gonna win. Yeah. I can hear scrapings over there in Thais' plate. Yes, Tevan. Yes, Tariq, go into it. Tariq, you wanna bust already? Go into it, Tariq. Try a bit harder. Yeah. Come on, guys.
Done.
Are you
Done.
finished? Let's see if the plate is done. What green thing is that have I seen? Everything have to be. Come on, Tevan, you got a little more. You still can win, Thais, you know, because she got a little piece of green thing in her plate. Yes. Yes, guys, you're doing very well. Yes. So we have a winner there. Let's see who's going to come up second place. Yes. Come on, guys. It's very close. It's very close. Tariq, you're almost there. Come on. Come on, Tevan. Just a little bit more. Just scrape everything up. Come, Tevi. Yes, Tariq, you're doing good.
Done.
You got a little bit more, Tevi. Go on. So who is come on, Dad, who you gonna say come second?
Oh. Done. I'm done. Look,
Yes, well done. Let me see in your plate, Tariq. Yeah.
That was just a warm-up.
Look at Tevan.
That about him?
No, he's having the rest of the table. So yes, guys. How was the challenge, guys?
good.
Yes. So let's start from the The biggest one. Thais, so tell me about your experience with the challenge.
It was hot, but I could manage it at the same time, and my nose was running.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So go on down to Tariq. How was it, Tariq? I know that you're not you don't like spicy food.
I kept on eating until I finished.
So how was it? Was it bearable or did you enjoy eating it? How was it?
Hot and spicy.
It is hot and spicy noodle challenge, but was it bearable? Did you enjoy the noodle? You didn't enjoy the noodle? Oh no! So you didn't enjoy the challenge then? Would you do it again? Mr. Tavon, you've been waiting for this challenge. How was it? Did you enjoy it?
Well, I ate the most of the noodle.
Yes, you did very good. So did you enjoy eating the noodle and it was that spicy?
And it was so spicy, and I can still do it.
Yeah, would you do this challenge again?
Yes, Mom.
Yeah? Okay, guys, so basically, looking in both of these guys' plate, I think both of them came second because they did very well. Thais nailed it. She did first. She finished off her noodle. So just leave a comment, guys, who you thought was the winner. Oh, actually, they might turn the comments off. But just give us a thumbs up and we will try to do some more challenges. But just remember, guys, that we got part 2 coming up because Pants and Pumpkin is gonna go at it. So watch out for part 2, guys. Thanks for watching and we see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, sweet fam. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.